Hi everyone, in today's video I would like to show you how to remove saved Facebook account from your Facebook app. For this, just go to Facebook menu, then log out. After log out, you can see here is your saved account. Now click on this three dot menu here, the account you want to remove. After click, here is some option: remove password, delete message history, remove account from this device, remove account from this device, and it will be removed. So I think this video help you a little bit, so please don't forget to subscribe. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.